Hi, I'm Anthony Santiago, and I'm the president of Pink Sparrow. The clients choosing between sculpting and 3D printing is shifting much more towards 3D printing. They want a more one-to-one replication from their models to the finished product.
The possibilities are endless with the Massivit 3D printer. It unlocks creativity for our clients and for our design team. Projects that benefit the most are those requiring large-scale, visually impactful elements for trade shows, retail environments, event marketing, or even prototypes. If a project demands speed, scale, or visual drama, the Massivit is a great option.
The ROI on the first machine has provided meaningful business results. The second machine gave us true bi-coastal capability, allowing us to replicate output, manage multi-market campaigns more efficiently, and reduce freight dependencies. It also enhanced our ability to deliver faster and more sustainably while maintaining full control over scenic quality, finishing, and consistency from coast to coast. The Massivit has provided new opportunities with existing clients as well as new clients by expanding the industries that we're able to serve, mainly our entertainment and brand direct clients. Clients like Netflix who have very specific IP that they want replicated exactly. Pink Sparrow would not be able to service those clients without having the Massivit.
Some of my favorite results that have come from the Massivit printer are the Marc Jacobs hand that we did for Dover Street Market. Second would be the large Gymshark statue that we did. Both of those were really fun to work on and looked amazing in the end.
Having this tool in-house has proven to be a strategic differentiator in our business development conversations. It helps secure products that might otherwise go to outside vendors by combining value control and innovation under one roof.